Okay, David Carter, put the final touches on it, man. My red bolts come in. Huh? $9 for 4 bolts and washers. Sick puppy, man. You gotta be a sick puppy. Order them from the other racebolts.com on the other side of the country. Oh well. Alright. That's as clean as it gets. There's still sand in places. Wet sand at Bud's Creek. Look. Everything's dull. A-arms, nerfs, everything got sandblasted in a hydro sandblasting machine known as Bud's Creek in the rain. Everything's dull. There's still sand. It dulled everything up, man. Wow. Oh well. Look at that sandbox in there you missed, son. And that's literally sand. That place was something. New Sparks exhaust. Alright. Ready for... Uh-oh. Kyle, you never get the back of the sprocket hub. Bring a rag over here. I'll wipe some things off. That's it, man. It's ready for the trailer. May 1st, Field of Dreams. Then I don't know, something else in May, and then the Still City Nationals in May. There's still sand everywhere. Later.